Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another captivating video. Today, we are embarking on a thrilling journey into the depths of imagination manifestation. Are you ready to explore the magical realm where your desires come to life? I sure hope so, because this is a topic that will leave you spellbound. Now I know what you're thinking. Every other video on manifestation talks about imagination. What makes this one different? Well, my friends, I'm here to unveil the secrets that others seem to overlook. I'm here to guide you on the path of correct imagination, preventing you from making those common missteps that could hinder your progress. Have you ever wondered why no one explicitly tells you what not to do during the process of imagination manifestation? It's like we're left to figure it out on our own, stumbling blindly through pitfalls. But fear not, my fellow seekers, for today I'm going to shine a light on what not to do. No more wasting precious time and energy on fruitless endeavors. Together, we'll navigate this uncharted territory with confidence. And here's another question that often goes unanswered. Is imagination the same as visualization, or are they two distinct practices? It's a perplexing concept that many fail to fully explore. But fret not, for I will dispel the confusion surrounding this matter and give you a clear understanding of their similarities and differences. Brace yourself for a mind-opening revelation. You know, it's funny how sometimes we stumble upon crucial information later in our journeys. I too was once in your shoes, traversing the manifestation path with incomplete knowledge. But now, armed with the answers to these burning questions, my manifestation journey has become smoother, more focused, and results-oriented. I can't help but regret not having known these valuable insights sooner. So, my friends, be sure to stick around until the end of this video as I divulge these invaluable learnings. Trust me, they will transform the way you approach manifestation and empower you to create the life you've always desired. And while we're at it, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the enlightening content we offer to support you on your manifestation journey. Okay, so without further ado, let's embark on this thrilling expedition of imagination manifestation. But before we dive deeper, let's clarify an important distinction. Imagination is not just visualization. While visualization is one aspect of imagination, true imagination encompasses all of our senses. It's about sensing, seeing, hearing, touching, smelling, and even tasting within our inner reality. This is what allows us to perceive a reality that exists within us, even if it is not yet manifested in the external world. Now, let's take a closer look at how imagination works. In our current state, we perceive our reality as it is right now. This is what our physical senses tell us, and for many people, this is where they get stuck. They believe that these circumstances are set in stone and cannot be changed. But the imaginative person knows better. They understand that within their imagination, they can perceive a different reality, a desired state that is not yet manifested, but still exists within the unseen realm. This is where the power of imagination comes into play. It allows us to shift our focus from what is to what we want to experience. The exciting part is that there are infinite states of existence available to us right here, right now. It's like having a buffet of possibilities at our fingertips. Whether it's wealth, love, health, or any other desire, all of these states already exist within our reach. It's just a matter of using our imagination to dwell in those states, to feel what it would be like to already have our desires fulfilled. Now here's the key understanding. When we dwell in our desired reality internally, we start to shift our external world to align with that new inner state. It's not about forcing things or linearly working towards our goals. It's about cultivating that inner reality and letting the external manifestations naturally follow. Remember, when Neville, as illustrated earlier, imagined himself sitting in a living room instead of on the park bench, he didn't immediately transport himself there. But by activating that new reality within his imagination, he set something in motion. It could be a phone call from a friend or a sudden inspiration to visit someone. The how and when are not as important as the internal shift that takes place. And eventually, that imagined reality becomes his physical reality. That's the power of imagination. It allows us to shift into an already existing reality that is within our reach. It's not about creating something out of nothing. It's about tapping into the infinite possibilities that already exist. As Neville himself said, imagination creates reality. Now, let's address an important point. Most people unknowingly use their imagination in a destructive way. They constantly imagine worst-case scenarios or focus on negative things, perpetuating those unwanted realities. But by consciously using our imagination, we can manifest any desired reality. The key lies in focusing our attention on what we want and dwelling in that new reality internally. Instead of solely focusing on our current circumstances, we want to plant new seeds in our imagination. We want to live in the non-physical realm of imagination and allow that inner reality to shape our external world. It's about shifting our perspective and experiencing the feelings and sensations of already having our desires fulfilled. So, the next time you catch yourself dwelling on what is, remember to shift your focus to what you want to manifest. Use your imagination to feel into the accomplishment of your desires. Envision how your world would look and embody the state of already having achieved them. So, friends, harnessing the power of imagination is not just a fancy or woo-woo concept. It's a practical tool we can use to design the life we desire. By tuning into alternate realities, feeling into our desired states, and planting new seeds within our imagination, we can manifest anything we want. If you enjoyed this video filled with insights on manifestation and personal growth, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We appreciate your support. We would love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Let's create a community of like-minded individuals who are focused on manifesting their dreams. May your manifestation journey be blessed with abundance, joy, and success. Remember, you have the power to design the life you desire. Keep imagining, keep manifesting, and keep taking inspired action towards your dream. Until we meet again in our next video, remember to stay focused and keep manifesting. Good luck on your journey,